Hi everyone, my name's Rebecca Bestbuer and I'm a SAI ambassador. Last spring I studied abroad in Florence, Italy, and one of my favorite activities and experiences abroad was actually with SAI. It was a free VIVA experience, and I just think one day during the week I signed up for the street food tour, and basically we all met at this one part in Florence, and we walked down the street that I later called Italian Alley and tried all different types of food with a local Florentine guide, and it was so fun. We started off the night with aperitivo, so we had a glass of wine, and then we had lots of different snacks to choose from to start out with, and then we went to pasta, we went and tried some meat, we had pizza, and then we finished the night with gelato. It was just a really great introduction into the Florentine culture and the Florentine food, and it really helped me kind of figure out maybe where I wanted to go out to eat in certain different parts of Florence, and they ended up being some of my favorite restaurants throughout the whole semester that I was there. In addition to that, I made a lot of great friends just through this experience during the week, and it was all free, which was an added benefit, and it was something I really enjoyed.